Today we are going to study about the exercise 7.6 word problems. So let's start the word problems. The first word problem is on the page number 101. You can see there in your book. Saurabh's mother brought a watermelon for the market. From the market. Question number 1 is saying Saurabh's mother brought a watermelon from the market. She cut it into 8 pieces. Let's say this is a watermelon. Okay, ये watermelon है. इस watermelon को सौरभ की मदर मार्केट से लेकर आई हैं और इसको कितने पीसेस में कट कर दिया. You can see here if this is a watermelon it is cut like pizza. Okay, pizza की तरह काट देते हैं हम इसको. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 pieces. So the mother of Saurabh cut it into 8 pieces and put it into fridge. इसको 8 pieces में cut करके fridge में रख दिया है. Saurabh eat 3 pieces in afternoon. Saurabh eat 3 pieces in afternoon. Let's say any of the 3 pieces, 1, 2 and 3 pieces in the afternoon. Saurabh ate 3 pieces in the afternoon. He then ate 2 pieces at night. How many pieces at night? 2 pieces at night. Saurabh ने 2 pieces night में खाए. Now, listen very carefully. What fraction of the whole fraction did he eat together? So the fraction is numerator upon denominator. Fraction is numerator and upon denominator, where numerator is parts taken. So how many parts have taken and total parts. So how many parts taken by the Saurabh? How many total number of parts taken by the Saurabh? We can count here 3 in the afternoon, 2 in the night. So 5 parts are taken and total number of parts was 8 and the total number of parts was 8. So this is the fraction Saurabh ate together. ओके तो आप एक बार फिर से देख लीजिए. हम लोग इस क्वेश्चन को ऐसे ही करने वाले हैं. द सौरभ मदर ब्रॉट अ वाटरमेलन फ्रॉम द मार्केट. शी कट इट इनटू 8 pieces and put it in the figure. Saurabh ate 3 pieces in the afternoon and 2 pieces at night. What fraction of whole watermelon did he eat together? So you can see fraction is numerator upon denominator, where numerator is the parts taken, total number of parts taken, and denominator is total parts. So total parts are 8 parts and parts taken by the Saurabh are 5. So this is the fraction Saurabh eat. Okay, let's do it with the word, we will do it with the statements. Okay, if you want to draw this you can also draw. This is a very easy method. You can draw it and do it very easily. हम लोग ये भी ड्रॉ करेंगे बट अब छोटा करेंगे ड्रॉ. अभी मैंने आपको समझा दिया था. ओके, नाउ आई विल राइट द क्वेश्चन प्रॉपरली. Saurabh's mother brought a watermelon and eat together. So first statement is given. What is given? The total number of pieces. Given is total number of pieces of watermelon. What are the total number of pieces of watermelon? 8 pieces. How many pieces are there? 8 pieces are total. Right? Now, और क्या दिया हुआ है? Saurabh ate how many pieces in the afternoon? Number of pieces ate by Saurabh in afternoon equals to 3. A number of pieces ate by Saurabh in night. How many pieces? 2 pieces. And you have to find the fraction Saurabh ate together. So उसने टोटल कितना पीस खाए हैं ये हमें बताना है. Right? Together. So the solution is very easy. Solution, fraction equals to numerator upon denominator, where numerator is parts taken upon denominator is total number of parts. So the parts taken by Saurabh, total parts taken by Saurabh equals to 3 plus 2 equals to 5. Yes, and the total number of parts are 8. So the fraction is equals to 5 upon 8. So the fraction is 5 upon 8. So this is your first question, where Saurabh mothers cut a watermelon into 8 pieces like a pizza, and then Saurabh have to eat some of the pieces in the afternoon and in the night. So total number of pieces he eat 5 pieces out of 8. Out of 8 उसने 5 pieces खा लिए हैं, तो fraction हमारा 5 upon 8 बन जाएगा. Now we will moving to the question number 2. The question number 2 is Surya brought 1 kg of mangoes. Okay, Surya कितने mangoes लेकर आया है? 1 kg. Now question number 2. 1 kg of mangoes and 3 by 4 kg of bananas. What is the total weight of the fruit? Weight of the fruits he brought. So this question is saying, given, देख लेते हैं पहले क्या क्या दिया हुआ है ना? क्या क्या दिया हुआ है? Let's see what is given in the question. The weight of mangoes. Yes, the weight of mangoes is given, and the weight of bananas is also given. The weight of mangoes. Okay, tell me what is the weight of mangoes he bought? What is the weight of mangoes he bought? Very good. Type in chat बेटा fast. How many mangoes he bought? बेटा आप मेरे साथ में अपनी फेयर नोटबुक में भी कर सकते हो. That is very easy to do. मैं बहुत ही आराम से करा रहा हूँ. Yes, the total number of weight, the weight of mangoes is 1/4. 1/4 kg. How much? 1/4 kg. Now, very good, beta. Now the weight of bananas. The weight of bananas. The weight of banana is 3/4 kg. Very good. 3/4 kg. Right? तो हमें मैंगोज पता चल गए, बनानास पता चल गए. Now what is the total weight? Underline the word total weight. Underline the word total weight in the question. So you have to find total weight of fruits. Right? You have to find the total weight of fruits. So solution is, what you are going to do? Total weight. Underline the word total weight. Underline the word total weight. Total means addition. So the solution is addition. And addition of what? 1/4 plus 3/4. 1/4 plus 3/4 equals to. So we will add the numerators. We will add the numerators here, and the numerators are 1 plus 3, and the denominator is 4. So it will be 4/4. How this can be done further or not? It is a improper fraction. We can divide them further. अब हम इनको divide कर देंगे, then we will get 1 kg. So how many kg? How much weight of fruits are there? Only 1 kg. Or you can leave at 4/4 kg. Okay? आप 4/4 पे भी leave कर सकते हो और 1 kg पर भी छोड़ सकते हो. Now we are moving to the question number 3. So you can write. So 1 kg of fruits brought by Surya. You can also write that. Now question number 3 is also very easy. Yes, find the weight of 2 tomatoes left with him. Underline the word left. Underline the word left and tell me what we are going to do in this question. Underline the word left और मुझे ये बताओ ये किस चीज का कीवर्ड है. आप लोग कीवर्ड तो नहीं भूल गए हो बेटा. Left is a keyword of which operation? Left is a keyword of which operation beta? Left is a keyword of which operation? Very good. Subtraction. So we are going to do the subtraction in this question. Raj brought 4/5 kg of tomatoes. Raj bought 4/5 kg of tomatoes for making soup. Okay, he used only 2/5 kg of tomatoes. उसने कितने tomatoes use कर लिए? 2/5 kg of tomatoes. Find the weight of tomatoes left with him. Okay, underline the word left and underline करने के बाद में हम समझ जाएंगे कि इसमें हमें subtraction करना है. So Raj bought 4/5 kg of tomatoes for making soup. The tomatoes, the weight of tomato for soup 4/5. Or we can say Raj bought The weight of tomato bought for the soup, for making soup. We can write this. The weight of tomatoes brought by Raj for making soup is 4 by 5, right? Is 4 by 5. Now he used how much mangoes? 4 by 5 kg. And the second thing given is he used only 2 by 5 kg of tomatoes. He used the weight used by Raj is equals to 2 by 5 kg. And to find the tomatoes left with him, to find the weight of tomatoes left, that we have to find. And जहां पे भी left लिखा हुआ है तो हमें क्या करना होता है? Subtraction करना होता है. Let's do the subtraction. Solution is subtraction. You can tell me which one is the greater one. So we can subtract the smaller one. जितना वो लेकर आया था 4 by 5. He bought the 4 by 5 kg and he used 2 by 5 kg. अब जितना लेकर आया उससे ज्यादा तो यूज कर नहीं लेगा, तो उससे कम ही यूज करेगा. तो हमारे पास ये भी एक तरीका है ये जानने के लिए that which one is greater. So in subtraction also we will subtract the only numerator and denominator will be the same. So 4 minus 2 we will write here and the answer will be 2 upon 5 kg. तो उसने 2.5 kg यूज कर लिया और 2.5 kg बच गया है. So 2.5 kg left with Raj. How much left with Raj? 2.5 kg left with Raj. Now the last question is Sonu and Monu are making paper flowers. Sonu used 7 by 10 meter of paper and Monu used 2 by 10 meter of paper. देखो सोनू और मोनू दोनों लोग अपना पेपर फ्लावर बनाने के लिए आए हुए थे. तो सोनू ने क्या किया? 7 by 10 मीटर ऑफ पेपर यूज कर लिया. 10 में से 7 यूज कर लिया. हमारे पास अगर 10 मीटर पेपर है उसमें से 7 सोनू ले ले एंड मोनू यूज 2 by 10. 2 मोनू ने ले लिया. हु यूज्ड मोर पेपर? किसने पेपर ज्यादा यूज किया? किसने पेपर ज्यादा यूज किया? यू कैन से इन चैट किसने पेपर ज्यादा यूज किया. 10 थे हमारे पास पेपर, उसमें से 7 पेपर्स अगर सोनू ने यूज कर लिए, 2 पेपर मोनू ने यूज कर लिए, तो किसने ज्यादा यूज किया? सोनू ने ज्यादा यूज किया. वेरी गुड अथर्व, वेरी गुड तनिष. एंड बाय हाउ मच? कितना ज्यादा यूज किया उसने? 7 minus 2. कितना ज्यादा यूज किया उसने? 5. वेरी गुड. दैट इज वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन. तो हम लोग यहां पे अंडरलाइन करेंगे बाय हाउ मच. अंडरलाइन करेंगे बाय हाउ मच एंड राइट डाउन द सब्ट्रैक्शन अबव इट. माय अंडरलाइन करेंगे बाय हाउ मच और उसके ऊपर सब्ट्रैक्शन का साइन भी आप बना सकते हो. ओके, दैट इज वेरी इजी. Now we are doing it on the board with the statements. अब हम ये लोग बोर्ड पर करेंगे और with the statements करेंगे. Okay. Sonu and Monu, and by how much? So what is given? Sonu, the paper used by सोनू. सोनू ने कितना पेपर यूज किया? 7/10 मीटर. मतलब 10 में से 7 यूज कर लिया. द पेपर यूज बाय मोनू 2/10, मतलब 10 में से 2 यूज कर लिया. यू कैन क्लियरली सी, एक बच्चे ने तो 10 में से 7 यूज कर लिया, एक बच्चे ने 10 में से 2 यूज कर लिया. तो किसने ज्यादा यूज किया है? सोनू ने ज्यादा यूज किया है. वो दिख रहा है, साफ साफ दिख रहा है ना. सो टू फाइंड, यू हैव 2 क्वेश्चंस हियर. हु यूज्ड मोर पेपर? Who used more paper? And second one is by how much? And by how much? For how much we are going to do the subtraction, and clearly you can say solution, comparison, and subtraction. So comparison between 7/10 and 2/10. Which one is greater? 7/10 is greater, which is used by Sonu. So Sonu used more than Monu. Right? Now we are using the same thing for subtraction. 7/10 minus 2/10, and this will be the subtraction of the numerators. 7 minus 2 equals to 5/10. So we can write Sonu used 5/10 more than Monu. Right? We can write this also. Sonu used 5/10 more than the